That's one of the hearts. There's 5 areas with these horizontal red things, which are the hearts. And then there's a blood vessel, a dorsal blood vessel, which you can't really see because it bled out, and then a ventral blood vessel as well. Okay, what are these big white things? Seminal vesicles, yep. And then the small white things, seminal receptacles. And I think that's pretty much all there is for the earth. Clam. And so this is the clam just opened up. So just cracked open, folded the shell off. So right here you can see the mantle. On this surface that's peeled off down here. Mantle there. Other side of the mantle down here. Got adductor muscle here.
Adductor muscle.
I think the end was here. That'd be posterior, and the anterior one is over here. Okay, there we go. So now you can tell that. Umbo's right here. This is going to be the anterior one. Here's the foot back here. So this is the posterior back here. Okay, the mantle is taken off. So you can see the gill. See the foot. See some labial palps right in here. Palp, labial palps. Palp, P-A-L-P. Okay. And then if you guys, which most of you did, you tear through this pericardial membrane up here. And in this chamber, there are 3 organs. So what's in there?
Heart, kidneys.
And heart, intestine, and
Kidney.
kidney. Yep. The heart, the intestine, and the kidney are in that pericardial, in the pericardial chamber.
Pericardium chamber has heart, kidney, and intestines.
Okay, this next picture is going to show you serial cross section. So this is your clam chopped up. Okay, so you can see the muscle of the foot down here. The creamy stuff, which is what? That's gonad.
Gonad.
Okay, this greenish looking stuff, digestive gland.
Digestive gland.
Big chamber here is the stomach.
Stomach.
These are the smaller pieces of the intestine. See a gill flap down here. This is where the heart and the intestine are up here, but that's pretty well mutilated. And right. What else are you supposed to know on this? Nope, I think that's pretty much it. What's this?
Flatworm.
This is Clinorchus.
Clinorchus.
So phylum Platyominthes, class Trematota.
Platyominthes.
This is the human liver flute. And you can see this is the uterus here. It's dark black because it's filled with eggs. This is the ovary down here. These are the 2 testes down here. A yolk gland, these little brownish black bumps along the sides. Oral sucker there, ventral sucker here. Digestive tract, one branch that way, one branch this way. And I think that's about all there is for this guy. Tapeworm scolex, Platyominthes, class Cystota, hooks, suckers. So don't make, this looks kind of like eyes, but they're not eyes, they're just suckers. And this is something I guess you guys didn't see. It was on the chart over there, but your slide didn't have a proglotid on it. But I thought you were gonna see this. So, anyway, this is a proglotid, and just as long as we got it here, I may as well tell you about it. These grape-like things, these are ovaries, here and here. This is the yolk gland or shell gland here. All the little specks in it, and those are the testes. This is the uterus here, and there's another worm over here, another proglotid right there. So this is, I don't know why this site is like this, but this should normally be stacked up here. So this one goes up this way and makes a U-turn and comes back. So this would be opening to the outside, and female eggs go out this way. The male sperm also goes out that way. So the worm can, like I said, float around on itself and fertilize itself. And there's also flame cells in here, but you can't see them. There's too much other stuff in there to see the excretory system. Okay. Third class, Platymenthes.
Platymenthes.
So this is a planarian.
Planarian.
So I could ask you things like, what are these bumps called?
Oracles.
Oracles. And what do they do? Yeah, chemosensory, smell and taste.
Chemosensory.
What are these? They sense like, yeah, ocelli or eye spots, but not eyes.
Eye spots.
So what good is it to see light but not see images?
Know which way to go.
What? Tell which way's up, which way's down, that's one thing, yep. But probably more importantly, they kind of know that their predators can see them. And so if they're in the light, it freaks them out and they want to get into the dark. So it allows them to find a safe hiding place in the dark. Because once they're in the dark, it doesn't matter if you can see or not, so they're in the same footing as a sighted predator.
Mm.
Oh, this is just some leftover tissue stuff that we didn't see in the quiz. So, what tissue is this? Oh, you've got a free edge up here. So it's epithelium. So one layer or many layers? From here up here, many layers. So stratified, squamous, epithelium.
Stratified squamous epithelium.
Dead cells up here, live cells down here. What tissue is this?
Connective.
Connective tissue.
Loose connective or areolar connective tissue.
Areolar connective
And you got
tissue.
lots of fibroblasts, so these little black ones here.
Black ones are
Got elastic fibers.
fibroblasts.
Can't really see collagen fibers clearly or anything else. So the background stuff's just matrix. What's this?
Cartilage.
That's cartilage. Yeah, hyaline cartilage. So what's the cell called? Chondrocyte. And the space it lives in?
Matrix.
Lacuna.
Kuna.
And then this pinkish purple stuff here is what? Matrix. Surface view of simple squamous epithelium.
Simple squamous epithelium.
So one layer thick of flat cells. What's that?
Muscle.
Smooth
Which kind of muscle? Not skeletal.
Smooth muscle.
Looks kind of wavy, but you don't see any striations in there. That's how you can tell it's smooth muscle. How about that one? Cardiac muscle. Intercalated discs here. Plus this has a different stain on it, which sometimes helps. So sometimes it'll be stained this gray and blue color, but often it'll be stained pink as well. Pseudostratified epithelium. What's this cell called?
Pseudostratified epithelium.
Goblet cell. What are these
Goblet
things?
cell, cilia.
Cilia. And that is all we got.
You said the last one was?